If you're watching this video, you most likely tried to day trade crypto with meme coins, altcoins, whatever it is. You most likely saw one of these videos teaching you how to trade, to start with 100 bucks, to day trade with crypto. And most likely, if you're watching this video right here, is because you lost money. Why? Because even professional traders, they don't have consistent win rates. And this is not for crypto only. For example, there's studies that say that 90% of people who try to day trade, they lose money. So they end up breaking, they lose all their capital. Why? Because day trading is not for everyone. There's people who study, who spend a lot of times trading into paper accounts, to learning technical analysis, learning to understand and read market conditions, read data, analyze statistics to understand what market conditions they can use to trade and be profitable. That can be with volume, that can be with news, that can be with a bunch of different parameters. So you most likely started trading or are trying to get into crypto trading. That could be day trading, that could be intraday trading with futures, with leverage, whatever it is. But what if I told you there's a way to do around 10% passively in profit each and every month? Well, today, this is what we're going to be talking about. Hello everyone, if this is the first time you are here, you're watching, welcome. My name is Everton and welcome to Bitopex. Well, what is Bitopex? Bitopex is a crypto derivatives exchange. So here we have options. So if you don't know what options are and you've never heard of the derivatives term, we have a bunch of videos that you can watch here for you to understand what are options, what is Bitopex, how can you start, and how to learn everything you need to start making money. So I'm not just going to throw you blindly into this world of options saying, hey, you can make money, take care. No. We are here to teach you, because the more you know, the more you learn, the more you're going to be keen into using Bitopex as a tool. So we offer you the tool and we offer you the education for you to learn more and use our product for you to make money. So that being said, if you go on YouTube right now and you just type crypto or crypto trading, you can see there are tons of videos showing day trade live, trading live with crypto, how to start trading, make 100 bucks per day, all of these different things here on crypto, on altcoins, on meme coins, whatever that is. They show you use this indicator and be profitable, use this strategy and be profitable. And that at the end of the day is very hard. Why is that? Well, because I also show you the strategies, the indicators that I use, and a lot of people, when they go and they try to replicate the first times, most likely they won't be as profitable as I am. I saw a few comments already saying, well, once I used $1,000 to make a single dollar in profit. Well, how does that make sense for me to risk 1K to make $1? Well, and I had to show them that the premium that they chose, the strike that they chose, was not a good strike. They were getting very little for the strike they were choosing, mainly because they wanted to go super safe. And because they wanted to go super safe, they were not getting a lot of money. It wasn't worth their money deposited. The second thing is that the chances of it losing the full $1,000 deposited was almost none. It was very, very slim. It was in the 1-digit percentage for it to go that much wrong. Because again, if that was the case, we will have to see Bitcoin dropping to numbers that no one would be expecting. The second thing that I pointed out is that he was doing also 0DT options, which are options that expire in less than 24 hours. And he could look into weeklies or monthlies and sell those options instead. But the third thing that I pointed out is that now we have a copy trading strategy. What is a copy trading strategy? Well, you're going to be depositing your money into a vault, into a strategy portfolio, and we are going to have traders do the trading for you, and you get to keep the profits. Well, why would you do that, Everton? Why would you help someone by making them earn money? Because if you earn money, we earn money. And the more people you bring in, the more you can also earn, but it is also good for the business. It's also good for Bitopex. We're going to have more TVL, we're going to have more users, and we're going to grow our market share for the company. So let me show you what the copy trading is. What can you expect as returns and my personal returns with this strategy. So here we are in Bitopex. Well, Everton, how do I get to Bitopex? It's going to be the first link in the description. We don't require KYC and we are very simple for you to register. So go down below, first link. We just need your email. You're going to confirm the email, set up the 2FA, and you're ready to go. That being said, we're here on Bitopex, and once you click on copy trading, you're going to see these two strategies. don't worry, soon enough, we're going to start to have more strategies, more safer and riskier ones. So what do you have to see? What are the numbers that you're looking at? First of all, we have these two strategies. One is called Phoenix and the other is called 0DTE. The Phoenix is the first one that we launched publicly, and this one is a little bit safer. So this one doesn't take as much risk as the other one, but it still gives you 25% ROI. This is a projection. So Everton, how does a projection work? It gets the past results and it does an average and projects that average for the whole year, for 12 months. So projecting, and the expected number that we have is around 25% per year. But so far, we already made 33% this year. So even though the projection is for 25%, we've beaten the strategy and it has been live for around 6 months. So in 6 months, we've done more than the expected, the forecast ROI for the whole year. So that is very, very good. But again, this goes to show that the number that you have to look at is the total P&L, meaning that so far, how much has this strategy made? And again, this one has around 6 months. It is the first one that we launched. And you can see that it does average at around 1.5% per month. In the past 30 days, it did 1.5%. In August, it only did 0.5%. And in July, it did 1.26%. So this is the average price that it does between month over month. October just started, so we don't have data on that yet. We still haven't traded this month. For the 0DTE, how does that work? Well, we are doing the 0DTE strategies, which is selling options that will expire in less than 24 hours. So right here, we're using 0DTE options with spreads just to make sure we can lower the risk that we are putting onto your money. So this still is way higher in risks compared to the Phoenix strategy, but this gives you a good ROI. It gives you projected 134. And you can say, Everton, how does it perform if it is saying that it's going to do 134 per year? Well, if you look down right here, it is doing 47% so far. So this one actually started at the end of May. I think it was like May 20th, May 25th. I don't recall the exact number that it started. So it had a few days from May and then June, July, August, September, and now October. In these few months, it did 47%. And this is why it is growing so fast. Now we have over 270 people right here. You can see that in the past video we had 260, so it is growing day by day right here. And also the total money deposited here is growing exponentially, mainly because it is a very good strategy and is doing amazing in returns for everyone. You can see July was a fantastic month. We did 14.5% returns, but the average is between 8 to 11% monthly. So the last 30 days, we've made 11.2%, which is fantastic for a single month for you to grow, for you to have 10% in returns. So this is what I was saying. Instead of you having to lose money until you learn how to trade options or to trade crypto daily, having the stress of trading, having the stress of losing money until you get to understand how the market works, how the market is manipulated for you to start being profitable, or for you to just risk into a meme coin hoping it will go 1000x, why not diversify? Or why not go into the copy strategy first, the copy trading strategy first? This way, even if you're losing money somewhere, you're still making passive income right here, which is what matters most. Income that is money working for you passively. So let me show you my strategy. Let me show you my numbers right here. If we scroll down right here, starting from the bottom, I deposited $500 on June 11th right here in this account. I have another account where I have another $500 and I have another account where I have $1,500. So since June 11th, this strategy has made 32% for me. So I've made $160 just with this deposit alone. The $500 became $659. Then I have two deposits of $49. This I was doing for a tutorial and I deposited 2 instead of 1, but it doesn't matter. And on this one, I've made 8.1% on both. And you can see both are from September 4th. So less than a month ago, I've made 8% in less than 30 days, which is fantastic. So you can see how this one is performing. It is doing fantastic. And if that's interesting to you and you already know how to sell options, you already know how to trade options, well, we offer that as well. If you go on the options tab, we have Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we are always willing to add something if that makes sense to you. If you have any strategies that you can share with us, well, I want Solana, maybe I want another token, let us know. It is always good to have some feedback from people who used our protocol, and they can help us growing and making it better for everyone else. So we have here the option for you to buy and sell options on Bitopex, calls, puts, the strikes, and guess what? We have leaps for a whole year ahead. So if you're an options trader, we have leaps for 2025. And if you are a trader indeed, you know how awesome it is to have such long expiration dates for you to open your positions on. So here are the current dates that we have all the way to March 25, September 2025, but we also have October, November, and December available for you to trade. And we also have the earn. The earn is basically a simplified way for you to trade spreads. So these are credit or debit spreads, but it is a simplified way, so you don't have to open multiple legs. You just choose right here if you believe Bitcoin or Ethereum will be above or below a certain price by a certain date. And again, here we have a bunch of dates for you to choose from and a bunch of strikes for you to choose from as well. So let me know if this was useful. If that's your case and you already deposited into Bitopex, let us know. If you're one of the 279 people, let us know what are your returns. What is your current yield that you're getting with the copy trading strategy? So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.